Tribu Yangria Hanbagon sa Tala.
Ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome our candidates in their production number. Gimang Kamaling Lagi, Shirley Shell Montelupa,
Tracy Mac, Cebu City.
Maria Jeremiah, Quezon Province, Chisakrat, Sultan Kudarat. Here are our top 3 finalists. Candidate number 1, 5, and 3. So here is your question. How can we showcase the unique charm of Lapyahan sa San Remigio to boost tourism and attract more local and international visitors?
Well, first of all, we need to post it on the Facebook because everybody is Facebooking now.
Unsaon na pag-promote sa Lapyahan sa San Remigio para sa tanan, free wifi, free sunblock o walay entrance fee.
To showcase the unique charm of Lapyahan sa San Remigio, we must highlight not just in pristine white sand beaches and breathtaking sunsets, but also the warmth of its people and by the richness of its culture. By promoting eco-friendly tourism, hosting vibrant festivals, and sharing our stories through digital platforms, we can invite the world to experience the beauty we call home.
Daghang salamat contingent number 2, Yangria Hanbagon sa Tala.